Olusho. I'm also a Celestial. But that Olusho is a devil. He's a devil in disguise. That guy is a devil. You call yourself an Olusho. You are not married to a lady. She stayed with you for 2 years.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi Ronke Oshodi Oke lẹ ń wò lójú àwòrán yín yìí. Arábìnrin yìí ó tú pẹrẹpẹrẹ ọ̀rọ̀ kalẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ arábìnrin Temitope Osoba tí ó jáde láyé ní bí ọjọ́ mélòó sẹ́yìn. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ bẹnu arábìnrin yìí, ó sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ wípé ó ní níbo ló wà nínú bíbélì wípé kí olùṣọ́ kí ó gbé obìnrin tí ò tí ì fẹ́ sílé kí ó gbé sínú ilé kó máa kó ìbálòpọ̀ fún un. Láti bí ọdún méjì sẹ́yìn ni wọ́n ti jọ ń gbélé o. Ẹ̀yin tèmi arábìnrin yìí ó ní olùṣọ́, ó ní èèyàn burúkú ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu Ronke Oshodi Oke.
Mi mọ bí tó kọ sí nínú Bible. I don't know bí tó kọ sí nínú Bible. The Olusho and his family, because I know that guy is living with his family. Let's assume pé Tope wà nínú ayé. Let's assume that. But that Olusho, they don't know the meaning of Olusho. They don't understand the meaning of Olusho. You are living with a girl. Everybody knows you as husband and wife. And you are together for 2 whole years. 2 years. And you don't know her family. Maybe you know 1 people or 2. Show your magic perelo and be money. No introduction, no wedding. And she's living with you. And you are comfortable with it. Asao now. Family. It's very, very painful. People will say that if it's me, I will do it this way. If it's me, I will do it that way. We cannot do it anyway because we've not been there. If you have been there, that is when you will understand how painful it is. I understand that because I've been there. I've been there. I've been frustrated. I've been emotionally tortured. So I've been there. That is why it's so painful. Because Tope is a very good girl. I don't really know Tope that much. I might not even see Tope in 2 years. But whenever I see her, she's very respectful. She's a very nice girl. We talk, we chat and everything. It's very, very painful. It's very, very painful. People will say that if it's me, I will do it this way. If it's me.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi, gbogbo yín lẹ ṣá wà wí pé àná ni news breakout pé actress Temitope Osoba ní pé wọ́n kú. Oríṣiríṣi àṣírí mà ni ó ti tú jáde. Apparently, cancer yẹn kọ́ ló pa wọ́n. Wọ́n conquer cancer yẹn nígbà yẹn, wọ́n overcome ẹ̀. Cancer kọ́ ló pa wọ́n. Now, ó wá ní lady kan tó jẹ́ bestie Temitope Osoba. So lady ló take to Instagram on her story. She started sharing so many things about the demise of Tope. Lady ló wá jẹ́ ká understand pé cancer kọ́ ló pa Tope Osoba. Ní pé this lady Tope Osoba, she badly wanted to get married, she badly wanted to have children, and in the process of that she lost herself. She loved up, she fell in love, but because she wanted to have a home, she did. I understand. I'm okay for you to outdo yourself just because you want to because Tebarantina nígbà tí wọ́n ṣe interview lórí ọ̀rọ̀ cancer wọn yẹn, when she made mention that okay, the doctors told her that they were going to place her on treatment, and for 5 years, you know, into that treatment, one gbọ́dọ̀ bímọ. Only kini a break and she said she was down because as at that time she was 39 years. Now ní pé at 39 àwọn tí marry àwọn tí bímọ kó tó wá sọ pé in the next 5 years àwọn gbọ́dọ̀ bímọ. Now this our friend now on Tijade, and she was like, you loved up right up you loved up, you gave everything to a man because you wanted to have husband and kids. Where is the man today? Kiniko. So apparently, but what's on the street in Temitope Osoba, like she gave everything that she ever had to that man. She understands. She gave everything, and once they are together, like wọ́n ẹni yẹn wọ́n ní shepherd ni olùṣọ́ ni ẹni yẹn ẹni believe pé kí Temitope Osoba tó kú, she lost almost, in fact she lost everything. Her friend even shared receipts where Temitope Osoba was reaching out to her, borrowing money. Now, ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti wá escalate pé ọkọ àwọn single mother náà ti gbé wá sórí live, wọ́n ti ń fa ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lórí live. Now, ọkọ àwọn single mother náà sọ pé ọkọ Temitope Osoba yóò gbọ́dọ̀ jáde láti wá sọ ikú tó pa Temitope Osoba. Now, a lot of people have come out to say that àwọn notice ẹlòmíì sọ pé Temitope Osoba come and reach out to someone, wọ́n máa sọ pé kóun yóò ní 5,000 and they will be like 5K. There are times that Temitope Osoba had to reach out to say hello, me mama sọ pé àwọn ò tí jẹun látàárọ̀, and they say she's someone that she doesn't like to, like woman paramo, she doesn't like to open her yansh like that, you understand? So she was dealing with a lot. Some people also said that each time tí àwọn àti Temitope Osoba bá ti sọ̀rọ̀, táwọn bá bi wọ́n, what is wrong with you, this lady? She will say that she's going through a lot. So lọ́rọ̀ kan ṣá, ọ̀rẹ́ Temitope Osoba ń jẹ́ kó máa yé wa pé emotional, mental stress ló pa Temitope Osoba. Now Nigerians are asking that our husband should come out and tell us what exactly happened. Because if someone can be saying when she was alive, she kept saying she's going through a lot, she's going through a lot, she's going through a lot, borrowing as low as 5,000 naira from people up and down. Someone like Temitope Osoba take only career, if not for cancer that almost broke her at a time. And she conquered. She came back. She came back. So what exactly happened to this lady? Toffee ya 5,000 naira kiri. Then what exactly happened? Toffee suffer when your she was going through a lot. Even though she never opened up to anybody. But that bestie knows a lot because they are best friends. What is really going on? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Because everybody actually rò pé bóyá cancer yẹn tí wọ́n bá tún pẹ̀lú yẹn. Gbogbo ala mọ̀ pé okay, she came out and said that okay, cancer yẹn ti lọ. But bàtà gbọ́ tí ikú wọn break out, people were like àbí cancer yẹn náà ló worry wọn tó fi kú. Only for us to be hearing from our best friend now pé emotional and mental stress ló pa Temitope Osoba. Kí gangan ni lady go through when she was alive? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló happen? There's a lot oh. There's really a lot. There's a lot. You see people that don't like to open up here. Go through a lot oh. To be honest, mo tún rí video kan tí one actress pupa kan, yeah, she made a video to, wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀, although she didn't mention name, but the topic ever since the whole thing surrounding Temitope Osoba's spy, since it broke out, a lot of people have been, they've been debating on this topic of, as a woman, because you are 40-something, because you are elderly, you've not gotten a man, you don't have children yet, that does not mean that you should lose yourself in the process. If it happens, let it happen. And if it's not happening naturally, it doesn't mean that you should lose your life because of that. Not everybody will get married in this life. And it's not everybody that will have children in this life. If some things are not happening for you, you just have to leave everything to God. And you're not only one or two things, but no, you feel no get them, God feel no give you. Do you understand? So, because you are 40-something years, you are desperately in need of a man, you want to settle down, you want to have your own children, and lose yourself in the process. Because there's a whole lot surrounding this Temitope Osoba spy, and I know that more secrets would start to unravel very soon. Because I want you we need answers. Kilo she lady, kilo pawon. She was already healthy, she was already okay. So what exactly by that? Imagine Temitope Osoba, a celebrity, begging for 5,000 naira, saying that Onga won't finish him. No. There's a whole lot to be unraveled.